I was told the world was narrow, one straight path and nothing more. But my heart kept hearing music in the ruins by the shore. There were whispers in the columns, in the dust of ancient days, something calling me to listen in a different kind of way. But every time I reached for wonder, I felt the old fear pull me back, like a shadow on my shoulder, like a voice I still can't shake. I am standing in the marble with the gods who once were mine, and I'm learning to breathe freely in a world they said was wrong to find. Oh, the thunder of my heartbeat feels like Zeus is calling home. I'm a Hellenist in healing. I'm not walking this alone. I remember all the warnings, every sermon, every rule, how they told me love was fragile, how they taught me fearing school. But Athena waits in silence with a wisdom fierce and kind, says your wounds are not your shackles, you can step outside the line. There's a temple in my ribcage, there's a fire in my chest, and the gods I thought would scorn me offer room for me to rest. I am standing in the marble with the gods who hold me near, and the stories that once broke me start to fade when I'm not ruled by fear. Oh, Apollo lights the shadows, Artemis shows paths unknown. I'm a Hellenist in healing, finding strength inside my bones. Let the old hurt fall behind me, let the myths I feared unfold. There is power in reclaiming what they warned me not to know, and the fates are softly weaving threads of courage through my scars, telling me that I belong here just as surely as the stars. I am standing in the marble, and my soul begins to rise with the gods who do not judge me, only open ancient skies. Though the past still shakes my heartbeat, I will choose this sacred road. I'm a Hellenist in